I'm Tyler with Rising Sun Pools, and today I'm going to show you how to vacuum your pool with the manual vac. So there's 4 pieces that we need for this process. You're going to have your pole, your vacuum head, your vacuum hose, and the vacuum plate that will go down in the skimmer. So we're going to start by connecting these pieces. The vacuum head to the pole, the swivel end or the blue end of the vacuum hose to the vacuum head, and the vac plate to the other end of the vacuum hose. So our equipment's all together. We're going to take the pole with the vacuum head on and place it on the bottom of the pool, making sure our pole does not fall in and that it's resting flat on the bottom. Now we take our vacuum hose and we need to fill this with water or prime it. So the 2 ways to do, you can feed it down into the water and it'll fill up with water, or we can find a return, place it up to the return, and the hose will slowly fill with water, like so. So now, when we get it full of water, we want to cup our hands over, keeping the water in the hose, and we want to go down to the skimmer. We want to take this, keeping all the water in, and right down over the skimmer. So at this point, our hose is primed. We've got water flowing through the vacuum. We want to close the main drain about 80%, so we have more suction here, and then we can begin to vacuum. So while we vacuum, stuff will start collecting into the skimmer basket. At which point, when we're done vacuuming, we'll go over to the equipment, turn it off, remove the vac plate and the skimmer basket, empty it, backwash if needed, and then remove our vacuum. If you have any questions, you can call us or find us online at risingsunpools.com.